Diljit grew up in a town not too far from here. He has been driving trucks around India for 20 years. But right now, he's getting ready to drive to the other side of the country. He knows that road conditions are dismal. The weather is unforgiving and deadlines are always around the corner.
मुझे बहुत तकलीफ होती थी, पीठ में दर्द, लंबे घंटे। इंसेंटिव भी कम मिलता था क्योंकि मैं ट्रक से ज़्यादा माइलेज नहीं निकाल पाता था।
But now, everything's changed. Presenting the all-new Tata Signa 2818T AMT, India's first heavy truck with automated manual transmission, enabling fully autonomous gear shifting and clutching, so that drivers can drive safely and comfortably.
जब से ये ट्रक चला रहा हूँ, मेरी जिंदगी बहुत आसान और आरामदायक हो गई है। ऑटोमेटिक गियर्स में चलाने का मजा ही कुछ और है और कैबिन भी बहुत कंफर्टेबल है। अब मेरा इंसेंटिव भी बढ़ गया है क्योंकि बाकी ट्रक्स की तुलना में इस ट्रक से मैं ज़्यादा माइलेज निकाल पाता हूँ और टर्न अराउंड टाइम भी बहुत कम है।
Subramaniam is the manager where the consignment is to be delivered.
Tata Motors, with its next generation technology, has made it tremendously easy for managers like me to track the consignment and make sure mishaps don't occur during the long journeys. Safety features like second camera inside container and cabin camera make sure the goods are safe and secure wherever the truck is traveling. The load sensor makes sure the truck avoids cross-border penalties. I have been in this industry for 13 years, but this groundbreaking technology from Tata Motors will make sure I'm here for 13 more.
The Tata Signa 2818T AMT is built to excel, with features that are unrivaled in the industry. The AMT gearbox will help the driver focus on traffic conditions by enhancing his comfort and handling, and will help the fleet owner save on operational costs.
The new truck has decreased fleet running costs and increased profits due to its efficiency. And I can also be assured that my goods are secure at all times with the OTP lock and the CCTV camera coverage. The AMT gearbox does not wear and tear as much as the manual transmission, hence increasing the fuel efficiency by 3 to 4% of the overall fleet.
Fully built offerings come with a reefer or container, depending on fleet owner's needs. Driving comfort is of utmost importance. Built with emphasis on ergonomics and safety. So Diljit and his partner can comfortably drive non-stop, thereby increasing productivity and lowering costs. Every Tata Signa 2818T AMT comes pre-installed with Tata Fleetman technology, which results in better fleet utilization and higher driver productivity and safety.
This truck has made it easier for the unskilled drivers to perform as well as the skilled drivers in attaining maximum mileage and productivity.
The Tata Signa 2818T AMT. Ab gear nahi, truck badlo.